you know, making a fireplace for Donna so she can be nice and warm at Christmas. Of course, it'll be a digital fireplace, so the warmth will be in her head. So, but no, Donna made her husband carry two 300-pound beams out of their house, which is, there's probably a hole in the side of it now, as the floor. And then I had some mesquite boards, mesquite from Texas, which we're going to use as the sides. And then I cut a 3-inch mantle with my chainsaw, and we just screwed it together so we can have the 7 days of mesquite fireplace Christmas. And the other good thing is we can always burn the whole thing at the end and use it for barbecue. So that's.
Tell me again how you got along with Donna in this project.
That's
you were
right,
getting
yes,
along just fine until a phone call came.
That's right. Yes, I got along fine till this morning. Yeah, when I had to carry a 200-pound beam up 3 flights of stairs because you live in a place without an elevator. Brilliant. Anyway.
Now you did not have to change the design once you got started, did you?
No, only 14 times. We had to move it around.
And the reason for that being?
The reason for that is Donna's unlimited creativity, which we all appreciate and love. And it only cost me 3,000 screws and 14 batteries. And of course, these things never ever quite work as you think they're going to. So, but no, it's great. It looks. I just can't
We're
believe how
almost
good it
ready
looks.
to light the fire here.
That's right. Yes. Yeah. Kick the tires and light the fires. Let's
All
go.
right.
Yeah.
Thank you, Andy.
Hey, no problem. My pleasure. As always.